Did you know that enemas have been used for centuries to relieve your colon, detoxify, or even bring some pleasure? It's true. Enemas actually have been used for decades, centuries, and there are many types of enemas, every single one of them with its use and its proper health benefit. But which is the best enema? How do you prepare it? And what is the specific health benefit of each one of them? Maybe that's one you're looking for, or maybe that's one that you need in order to improve your health. That's what I'm going to reveal to you in today's video. Your gut is the foundation of your health, and sometimes we do need an enema to help us detoxify or go to the bathroom. At some point in our life, I would say that every single one of us has used an enema, will use, or maybe is using some type of enema. The problem is that just with medications and just with what you use in natural medicine, certain enemas do certain things better than others. There are specific uses. There's a saline enema, there's a coffee enema, there are essential oil enemas, right? Tea enemas. There are many different types of enemas, and you need to know how to use them because you might be using something that is not appropriate and you cause maybe more harm than good to your organism. But before I continue, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. I've always been surprised at the amount of people that watch my videos, and not everyone is subscribed. Maybe for you that you're watching a video right now, you might see a different video later in the future with something that I say could actually change your life. So having said that, let's continue. Number 1, a saline enema. A saline enema is just basically a way of saying you need salt, some type of salt. It may be marine salt, it may be natural non-iodized salt, it may be sea salt, kosher salt, but all of these salts have to be with absolutely no additives. They just need to be salt. And what this type of enema does is help relieve constipation naturally by withdrawing water into the colon and stimulating a bowel movement. This is important because some other types of enema will give you water and not extract water from your internal body. This flushes out waste from the large intestine and can be soothing for people with occasional sluggishness in that digestive process. Very important. How do you prepare it? Very simple. You need 2 cups, about 500 milliliters of warm water, 1 teaspoon of non-iodized salt. This is important. And maybe some type of salt like sea salt, kosher salt, other types of salt that you might have at home. If you need something natural that you can use every day to cleanse your colon, maybe you want something like laxi-prune, D-enzymes, probillion, Colubgon from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Now, this enema can only be used maybe once a week at the most. Don't do it every day. Number 2, a coffee enema. These coffee enemas have been popular and have gotten some popularity out of a doctor that used to combat cancer with this type of enema. These coffee enemas can be prepared at home, but you will need organic ground coffee. And it's good for stimulating bile production, detoxifying the liver. That's what these doctors actually claim it does. There are some studies, and apparently it does so, but it may help relieve that liver process from toxins more effectively and promote a bowel movement and energy by stimulating peristalsis. Some people report reducing bloating, headaches, and fatigue, and others improving treatments like cancer and conditions that are very chronic and very hard to improve because these coffee enemas have a health benefit to them. How do you prepare it? You need 2 tablespoons of organic ground coffee, and when I say organic ground coffee, do look for that because you don't want any pesticides inside your colon, and 2 cups of filtered or distilled water to prepare this. Keep it at temperatures that are just right, just a little bit maybe above your body temperature or at body temperature, and use it just like an enema. Cleanse yourself and see the effects. Now, if you're looking for a detoxification of your body, you may want to look for something that you can take and do every day, something like Hepaclean, Thistle Essence, or Essence, and Purify You from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 3, herbal enemas. And yes, there are herbal teas that you can prepare, and these teas serve as enemas. You can use maybe an enema that is made of chamomile, calendula, or slippery elm. Each one of these has a different effect. The chamomile tea, and the chamomile enema, has an anti-inflammatory, soothing, or for irritated intestines that can help calm spasms. A calendula enema can help you with tissue healing, support mucosal repair of the colon, and a slippery elm enema can form a soothing gel that coats and protects your colon lining. All of these may be used, and you may want to use it if you have some type of inflammation, some type of ulcer, some type of harm that has been done to your colon. How do you prepare it? You need 2 cups of warm distilled water, 1 tablespoon of chamomile, calendula, or slippery elm. You let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes and use it just like an enema. That's all you need to do. If you want something that can help disinflame your colon, look for cod caps, look for Colobgon, GI Balance, and Probilion from FineLead at fineleadvitamins.com. Number 4, a baking soda enema. This is not only an ingredient that you can use from your mouth inward, but also from your anus inward. And it's a really crude way of saying it, but yes, you can use it. And the actual frequency of this enema is not something you can use every day. You cannot use it more than once or twice every 4 weeks. Maybe once every 2 weeks is okay and is enough. Now, this may help neutralize excess acidity that you might see in your colon. You can help relieve burning, irritation, or acidic stool sensations, which at some point in our life we all have. And sometimes it can help restore a healthy pH balance of your lower bowel, right? The colon. How do you prepare it? Very simple. 2 cups of warm water, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Use it once, that's enough, and that will help you get going with that acidity that you might have down there that you need to fix. And it's basically the only way you can fix it without harming your colon. Number 5, mineral oil enema. And this is a thing, by the way. It is a thing. You can see studies done in humans actually with certain types of oil, like for example coconut oil. They've been using coconut oil to improve ulcerative colitis, which is a very complicated health condition. And this enema specifically, or many types of mineral oil enemas in general, can help lubricate your colon and your stool, making it easier for hard structures to pass, right? It can help reduce pain and strain from people with hemorrhoids, anal fissures, or chronic constipation, and it can provide also a gentle mechanical relief without strong stimulation. So this is something that you can try and use. How do you prepare it? Simple. 2 tablespoons of mineral oil, depends on the oil you want to use. I just mentioned coconut oil. There are many others that you can use. Warm cup of water, put it inside, use it, and that's all you need. Don't forget to give this video a like button, don't forget to share, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.